Hello everyone, I hope all is well. I just wanted to give you an overview of traveling from Cornwall Courts to Ironshore. We are having a conversation, so sit back, relax, and I'll take you to some areas that you might have not seen before. I just like to have my GoPro on. And just ride and just take in the view as I travel because Jamaica is always a wonderful place to be. And I just want to share some of these footage with you as we also converse about certain things happening. I want to diversify this channel to ensure that you have a variety of issues connected to culture, history, and of course, I'm going to give a little technology because we need that. All right, so sit back, relax, and just enjoy. I enjoy driving in Jamaica, and I'm a very careful driver, as you will see.
That's a house right up there with a pool. Nice church.
It's big, so. What's the headquarters?
No, it's the headquarters on Princess Street.
Princess Street.
Then they go to the church. They have all the people dancing into the church.
Oh, okay. Can't get them must have already here.
Again. They lock it up so that makes sense. At least I know a car park up around here. Yep. But a lot of pothole, Miss Murray.
Yeah, the road just smash up. The road is not quite a while.
The road them no build good. To run off water. The road built for second water. Look at this road.
Alright, here so now not too bad for them here. So that when the water come from off of Birchill, so go down into the gutter.
Yeah.
And the little man they want to put out them pay some help.
Must they make enough money and retire now.
No man, just anyway into the patrol. In the all over farm pipes, anyway the patrol is. And then you work while you sit down here and him do it. And you know the boy.
Go and go again, because that's a nice little thing. You used to patch the road.
We used to take dirt.
Take dirt and patch the road.
Take dirt and put in the patrol.
In the pothole.
Yes.
So when you put
the
it.
take the dirt and put in the patrol now and the people, the motorists them pass and not give them any money.
Yeah.
Cost them out.
Cost them out.
Yeah.
And they go.
When they go in every hole and put dirt in.
You take it out the bag.
Sometimes they hole in deeper than usual.
You must dig out
So
more.
it damage the road in the process.
Exactly so.
You know,
That
What
is-
the people them do now, they don't give him anything.
Oh, okay.
So the last time you see me walking, he walk big.
It's even not a big good business, man. You have to invest, man.
The other one, find a see man this road that needs an up farm height. So I'm up to work.
More pothole up there, Miss Merkel.
Yeah man, anyway you see the patrol.
Call to service to patch potholes.
And one time then you see all them place here, so him.
I patch. Yeah,
with
patch
the
here.
cement.
Okay.
He use cement and he wheelbarrow. And he's sand and something and it's up the
I
road.
mean, it's not the best surface, but if government not doing
Exactly
it,
so.
you know.
Because so anytime
I
when
don't know, you're
it's a
dropping our manhole.
And these potholes look like it's a generator for government, you know. Because burst, tire burst, this burst, all sort of stuff. And then the bottom line is they will pay them GCT on top of that too.
and by parts.
And by parts. So it's, you know, I can't wonder if, you know,
Out
that's,
here so. From the heavy rain, because we have one heavy rain and wash out all it.
yeah.
But wash out. We have one rain, the whole of this is going to come over. Right up there, so they'll have another place. So make sure the other day we keep body. Then we say, man, we have a rain. Wash them out, wash out all the casket, everything.
Tell you boy, that's what I think I hear about that.
Man, if you ever see the place.
I remember as a boy traveling on these roads. Sometimes I would walk them. And I remember walking this road one night. Yes, we were coming from church and we had to really walk down this road. And at that point in time, everyone felt safe. Now, fast forward, you ask someone if they would travel this road. And this road is really from Sun Valley going up to Blood Lane. And Blood Lane has had its name. Yes, it has had its name based on people's perception that it is indeed an area that has seen many instances of murder. Many people still refuse to journey this road. Notwithstanding, I must say that this road has gone through significant improvement. At one point, two cars could not pass together. One had to stop at a section. But you can see, based on what's happening, the MP in this area must be doing a good job because for the last couple of years, I've noticed that this road has been well maintained. Yes, to a point that you can now use this to access another segment of Jamaica or Montego Bay that will allow you to reduce your time on the road. Because if I went through Montego Bay, it would take me a long time because of the traffic congestion. But here I am able to navigate through this road. And of course, you can see at one point, two vehicles could not pass here. No, we can pass. And of course, I must say some improvements have taken place. The last time I went down, they had stoplights in this vicinity. Now, this is a road that I would not take normally, but since I have people along with me, I would take it anyway, to be honest. I've taken it by myself, but I think it's in the day I would drive here. In the nights, to be honest, I would not drive in this area. Yes, I do take precautions, and by nighttime, I'm always somewhere that I'm going to stay for the rest of the night. It's important. I don't travel unnecessarily. And here is Norwood. Every one of these houses, they do have some level of ocean view. And these were houses that were informal, I would say, settlements, because it was not given to these individuals. They occupied it over a period of time, and many of them have now received their titles. Most of the property here, they're ocean view properties.
Everyone on top of this, and this was practically an area that people just take over for themselves, right, Miss Marco?
I capture them.
No, I say take over for themselves, being captured.
Them capture it, but in the long run, you have to pay.
They had to
They
pay.
get title
Because
and
they come in and them and they have to pay for it. You know what they do
Subdivide.
without a really put?
Yeah, but what was the price they paid for it?
I
Not,
don't
not market value based on
They
ocean front.
couldn't charge them
Yeah.
the big price.
This segment is one of the roughest sections going down, but it gives me a shortcut, as they say in Jamaica, to make a connection with another road that will take me through again a segment of Norwood that will drop me out by Ironshore. Here we have security points check based on what's happening in the community.
You can drive them.
No man, you can.
You can't drive them, but them have
Oh,
them
You can,
point.
so they put the
But them
cone
have them point here.
Oh.
And put the cone in the road.
Right, they have
Yeah.
they have to bring this
Well
place
enough,
in
sir.
order, you know, and then have to-
Yeah,
Yeah,
leave
police
out
right
there.
there, police.
And the camp out
Yeah.
there. Then you know you kill people same way.
This was a camp, they talk about
And the soldier camp on your left hand side, soldiers in
But then I
Norwood.
kill people up there
See
same
up
way.
there. See up there.
Yeah, I've AC in the camp.
You seen at the camp, soldier camp? Oh, yeah,
This is
me.
because you have like go.
Me tell you, Mr.
AC is the one half in electricity.
And this is one hardware.
I drive this area regularly. On my left, you have Norwood Hardware that I buy materials from. They're reasonably cheap, and as a matter of fact, they do deliver to your home. And also, the prices are good, generally speaking. Now, I go through here. I also have a wonderful person that makes my grill. He makes my grill, wonderful grills here, and highly recommended based on his level of professionalism that I call upon. Always a good guy. I won't call his name, but I'm always willing to give him work based on his professionalism. And he also has another individual that works with him that's related to him. Now, this is Norwood, and many people might not drive through here. I don't have a problem driving through here in the day, but in the night, I would not be found on the roads. You know, everywhere you have danger, and I don't put myself at risk.
So if you break the water,
They
to cross the
were
river,
gonna pull up Lily so like a 10 from the bunch. Like a 10 from the bunch.
if you see any more, hold on and make me find out how they go. This place is very fruitful, though.
Jamaica, man. Everybody's selling Miss Mark. They have a sideline store.
I mean, like the 90 days.
Big store.
Big store. People have their stuff.
Once before I see it there.
Norwood.
So under the one that's a big store.
Norwood could be a good area, Miss Mark.
Yeah, because
Criminal. Sorry about that.
I'm telling you, they need a one and a whole, but they never realize you're
Yeah.
Them purple
They have to
mango
break
there.
them cross
Them mango they look purple.
Over here is so fruitful.
Yeah, man. So our breadfruit tree up there, so too.
Beer land, wow.
And it's full of breadfruit, you know. And a one dip on each branch are two.
One tree
Income
sometimes.
two and in twos and
They have restaurants here.
threes.
Yeah, and they have another stop point coming up here again.
The police.
Police up there line up
You see how they have these across the road?
across the road.
You
So
have to tell them where they're doing and they're going there. They are
So-
residents in there.
no, I mean. Don't know, Miss Mark.
Yeah, the police them
No,
sit down,
them
nobody
can't
can
see
go
you.
and direct you.
And can see who you are and do what you need to do. And do them due diligence and then check and depend on them.
Yeah, we've just come across another checkpoint, and if you can see, there's the ocean in front of us. We're going into Ironshore now, and this road was really maintained by, of course, the Member of Parliament, who has been very instrumental in maintaining these roads over a period of time. The one that I showed you earlier, of course. Now, this road is well maintained. It makes a connection to Norwood and to the prestige Ironshore area. You know, sometimes I wonder how close can you get, but the value of these lands are extremely expensive based on their location and, of course, the traditional value that Ironshore holds. Ironshore homes are extremely high end in many cases. The land itself is very valuable. Now, as you navigate Jamaica, just remember to be careful as you drive. Remember, you need to drive on, of course, the left to ensure that you're safe at all times. Another thing you have to be careful of is these manholes or potholes that appear out of nowhere. Sometimes it resembles the surface. If you're driving in rain, it's worse. You can't see these holes and they swallow you up and they will hurt your car badly, the vehicle you're driving. They will damage your vehicle. Look at that one. Now, it is wonderful here. We have practically coming up. We're looking straight down into Rio, that white building you see there. Some development taking place on my left, and on my right, of course, are houses. There's an apartment building there. As we make the stretch coming down, we're practically in the heart of the Ironshore business area. And of course, we'll come up to Blue Diamond Shopping Center very soon. And of course, another plaza on my right. These areas are just areas that people shop and ensure that they have the supplies. Personally, I prefer to shop in these areas rather than going to the market that has a problem with parking. You know, I've enjoyed Jamaica, and I want to say to people, you can enjoy Jamaica, but for me, all these roads that I'm taking you on, I make sure at a certain time I'm in my house. I am in my house. In United States, I do the same. In Jamaica, I do the same. I make sure that after a certain time, I'm home.
I don't even know.
Skin and sweet.
TSC.
Yeah. How about that sweet, man? We don't go on the thing, man.
How much a bongo?
100. Two left now. Let's say I take them off.
No, not so much money.
150 take them, man.
Then, Tea sweet, that's all right.
Can't go.
Alright, boy. Respect, yeah?
Alright.
Sure, boy.
Alright,
Boy, that's.
yeah.
They try to see them up.
Give the
They know.
We shouldn't buy guinea pan, so much guinea for fire.
They, you know, wow, they're not big man.
they can have them up there sour.
That's so funny. You don't have no back camp.
Oh, look at that brown bag there when you don't